Color Me Monday Tumbler edition. Typically, Color Me Monday, Bren lets color pencils choose for makeup, but I thought it would be fun if I let them choose my Tumbler inks. This is going to be a little difficult, bear with me. Okay. So I chose my mason jar tumbler because that's the only tumbler that I had prepped. It's on its turner. Let's choose the first color. I lied. I'm gonna put the epoxy on the tumbler first so I can take this epoxied glove off so then we can choose the colors. Now that the epoxy's on, let's choose my first color. Ooh, like a fuchsia. I'm going to use Fiesta from Tim Holtz. I don't really know how many colors I'm going to choose, but we're just going to play it by ear. Love that color. It matches my mask. Now for the next color. There's a lot of color pencils in here. Okay, let's see what I have. This looks like latte. I don't like it. I was hoping my first Color Me tumbler was going to give me all beautiful, bright, fun colors. Trust the process. Espresso, it's the closest I have. I don't want to overpower this tumbler with espresso, so I'm not going to do a lot, even though that might look like a lot. We're still going, okay? We're still going. I think this is going to be my last color. We'll see. Blue! No! Indigo from Tim Holtz. The color scheme, it wasn't the best, but it complemented each other. I could have made it work. It was like a mossy oak, camouflage looking tumbler. Now we just have this. So I'm gonna use these colors and try to fill in the blanks. And the one thing I forgot to tell y'all is I'm going to add some white alcohol ink to this to move around these colors to really blend it. So let me get my white. I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't add a lot of the blue. Because I really, now I know how you feel, Bren. It's like, it's going so beautifully. And then you get that one color and it's like, ugh. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Why? Why was this my first color combination? Don't give up. We're fixing this, okay? Trust the process. All right, here it is so far. I'm going to take off the tape, let it spin, and then I'll come back with the final result. But I want y'all to see how satisfying this tape removal is. Oh, it just gets me every time. I'll see y'all in a few hours when this thing is dried. And here's how it turned out. I think this is super cute. I really had fun making this video. What do you think? Do you think I should make more of these? Thanks for watching. Bye!